I wanted to share some tan tips with you. So first one is to exfoliate and shave the night before if you wish to, and then on the day of application, apply moisturiser to dry areas like hand, feet and elbows. Also, when you're doing your tan, make sure you've not applied any deodorant, perfumes, and you don't do any sort of physical exercise or sweating or get wet, because the tan needs to develop. So with the hands, it's really important not to put new mousse onto the mitt. You want to use what's left over after you've worked the product into the arm, just because when you apply new mousse directly to the hand or feet, it really builds up, and you really want to keep this minimal and looking natural. Sorry, dude's on one. So then we're just going to go and apply all over the body. It's quick dry and it's non-sticky, so you can put your clothes straight back on. It's a really natural tan, and it is cruelty-free, vegan, palm oil-free, using natural DHA, and has coconut water and dermatologically approved for sensitive skin. Develops in 2 hours for a medium colour, but 8 to 10 hours for a deeper, darker tan. So it really depends on what you want from it. Once you shower, use a towel and just pat yourself dry. Don't rub, and moisturise to keep your tan looking fresh. As you can see, it's really natural and lovely.